Alright, so now we have the menu. We're going to go ahead and click the home part, and we're going to go to their adjust settings and preferences, and we are going to go to the wrench. We're going to go down to initialize SD card. And you're going to go ahead and initialize. It's going to show you how much total space is there, 3.09 gigs. Used space is 0.8. So we're going to go ahead and initialize that. And quickly erase all files from the memory card. You want to initialize? Yes. Quick initialization, process completed, successful. Click OK. And we go back. And now we have 2 hours and 52 minutes available on our SD card and 115 minutes of battery power. So that is how you format your SD card on your Canon Vixia HF R500. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, smash that like button.